Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a calm evening routine. So I'm gonna give a little update on what's happening on our property this spring. I'm gonna share a really delicious veggie taco recipe. And then I'm also gonna just share with you my routine on most evenings. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you're not already, please hit that subscribe button as I post new videos every week. I post about my life and a little bit of everything from self-care to pampering, wellness routines, and also home maintenance for inside and outside of your home. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video.
It's pretty. Yeah, pinching hard. Oh yeah, there we go.
On this day, after the boys came home from school, we decided to go outside and start getting some work done. It's starting to warm up and it's spring here and we have a lot planned for our property. Garden season is coming up soon, so we are going to start indoor seeds pretty quickly here. We also are preparing to get chicks and have chickens again, and we're clearing out our forest and creating a wildflower garden going down to our creek. The kids love to explore our little creek and observe the crawdads and then put them back in the creek and just have fun playing outside. And I'm also very excited about the forest because having a wildflower garden going down to the creek is just going to be magical, and I can't wait to show you. But for now, we're kind of just getting this part done, which is clearing out brush and making sure it's nice and clean so there's a clean pathway down to the creek. So we're going to be working on strategically clearing out the forest for the next few weeks, and then we're going to start planting the wildflowers, we're going to prep for the chickens, and then we're going to get the garden going once we're past the last frost date. So I'm going to come in, light a few candles, and get started on dinner. Tonight we are having a delicious vegetarian dinner that could easily be made completely plant-based as well, and I'm going to share the recipe with you. It's inspired by a place here in Nashville at the Nashville Farmers Market called Succulent Tacos. They are known for their delicious vegan tacos. I've been meaning to try to recreate the recipe of one of the tacos that I had, and this is my take on it, and they're pretty close to what those taste like, so you're gonna have to try out this recipe and let me know what you think. For this recipe, I peeled and diced 4 potatoes, put them in a saucepan, and covered with water. You're gonna let those cook a little bit until you can smash them, but you don't wanna smash them completely. You wanna have a little bit of structure still, half smash, half structure. Once all the water is absorbed, I'm gonna keep it on a little bit just to brown it ever so slightly and add some flavor with smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. You could also make it really easy by just adding taco seasoning if you want, but I really did like this combination. It tasted really good, so I'm gonna mix that up together. And then I'm also gonna add some lime. I'm gonna heat up some refried black beans in a saucepan, and then I'm gonna make a jalapeno cilantro sauce to go on top. For the sauce, I'm gonna blend up jalapeno, some lime, garlic. I'm going to put some mayo in there as well. Now, if you wanted this recipe to be completely plant-based, you could opt for a vegan mayo instead. I just whipped up some homemade mayo here at the house, so I used that, and then a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of salt. I typically eyeball these things, but I will try to put some measurements below. I also added some cilantro, and I'm going to mix that up to have a really delicious sauce that's going to go on top of our tacos. Finally, for our toppings, I'm just cutting up some lettuce. I'm gonna have some avocado and some cilantro, and then I'm going to warm up the tortillas in the microwave. Putting them in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how hot your microwave gets. You can use flour or corn tortillas, whatever your preference is. And then I'm gonna start building the tacos. This recipe went over very well in our home. We had seconds and thirds, and the kids asked if I could make it again soon. So a win is a win, right? And it was truly delicious. So now I'm gonna save whatever was left over and I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. While I clean up the kitchen, I do try to ask the boys to have some reading time. Sister usually got along very well. They took turns nicely with the bathroom. They said, "Please, sister," he shouted. The boys are pretty self-sufficient if they need to take showers, get ready for school, and then we have bedtime at 8. I took a quick shower tonight because I was dirty from working outside and just wanted to do a get-it-done skincare routine. I didn't want to spend too much time or fuss with a pampering routine tonight. I washed my face in the shower. I'm using this watermelon toner from Banish, and I've been using a few of their products recently, and I actually really like it. It's my first time trying those. I'm using the retinol for sensitive skin from First Aid Beauty at night, which I really like because it doesn't make my skin sensitive or peel, and then I'm also using the eye cream. I'm gonna make myself some herbal tea, and then I'm gonna cozy up on the couch and read a little bit, and then I'm gonna catch up on Farmer Wants a Wife, which my sister-in-law Jamie, she introduced me to this show on Hulu, and now I'm addicted. So I'm gonna read a little bit of this book right now. I'm reading Raising Good Humans. So far, I really like it. And then I'm gonna catch up on an episode of Farmer Wants a Wife, and then sometimes I'll do an Aura app like bedtime meditation right before I go to bed, because I do try to like avoid too much screen time before bed, but I have been enjoying this show, and it's oddly addicting. So anyway, that completes this cozy evening routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.